One of the easiest and most impressive starters has eventually made its way to Fabits. And before you decide to give it a try, I'll let you eat it with your eyes first. First, make crispy onions. Slowly heat vegetable oil in a heavy bottom saucepan. While the oil heats, slice the onions and split the slices like so. To check if the oil is hot enough, insert a wooden spoon, and if you see bubbles around the spoon, add the onions and stir quickly. Then reduce the heat to low. Frequently stir the onions so that they fry evenly and remove once they are light golden. Spread them over a plate lined with paper towel. They will darken further, so make sure you remove them early. Now make the whipped feta. Either place all ingredients into the processor and whiz it a couple of times, or finely grate feta cheese and combine it with minced garlic, Greek yogurt, freshly squeezed lemon juice, freshly grinded black pepper, and olive oil. Trim, wash, and dry a bunch of red radishes and cut them in halves. Pour a small amount of onion oil into a pan, add the radishes, season with salt, and fry them for a couple of minutes or until they change their bright pink color to colder shade of pink. Let the radishes cool down and spread a thin layer of whipped feta over a serving dish. Place the radishes on top, in any order you like, and sprinkle with a couple of small pinches of poppy seeds. Top with crispy onions and garnish with fresh dill. This is it! The starter takes literally minutes to make and is perfect on its own or with some plain crackers. If you liked this idea, make sure to browse this channel for other tasty and visually appealing recipes. All ingredients and measurements are in the description below as always. If you have any questions about this or other recipes on Fabits, leave them in the comments. We are fast with responses and like being helpful. Thanks for watching, and visit us again next week for a new episode. See you then!